What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to talk about the 10 things every truck driver should have in their truck. So, what are the 10 things every truck driver should have in their truck? Well, let's cut straight to the point. Number one, Bluetooth headset. As you can see, I have a Blue Parrot. I prefer Blue Parrot because they have a 99.6% noise cancellation rate on it. It's comfortable. You can get them in different styles, all depending on how you want it. I prefer this because I like to wear caps. At one point I worked in the construction field, had to wear a hard hat. These go over my ear. Still has a nice little boom mic. It is a great Bluetooth for the price. I paid $120 for this at the time. What? That was maybe 2 years ago. Second thing, GPS. What kind of GPS? I personally have a Rand McNally truck GPS. And there's a reason why I chose Rand McNally. They make the atlases. So I figure, hey, they're good enough to make an atlas that you should be following. They're good enough to make a GPS. So I bought me one. Works great. Love it. No regrets. It tells you everything that you need. I'm not going to sit here and promote my GPS, but I would definitely encourage you drivers to look into Rand McNally if you don't already have one. Some people like Garmin, some people like TomTom, some people don't like to use it at all and just want to use their phone. Third thing, inverter. If your truck does not come with an inverter, you should invest in buying an inverter. That inverter can do wonders for you on that road. And basically what that inverter is, you're basically putting a wall socket in your truck. You're able to plug things up that you would normally plug up into your wall socket. You can plug it up in the inverter, whether that be a TV, gaming console, anything that you may need, laptop, and it works pretty well depending on the wattage that you get. And you can always buy those online. You can go to the truck stop and purchase those for, of course, they're not the cheapest thing in the world, but it would definitely help in your driving experience. The fourth thing, the microwave. You can go to Walmart and buy you a $50 microwave. That microwave will save your life. Trust me, you're out there on those mountains, it's cold, you didn't trip plan properly, you have to be stuck on the side of the road, you can't stop and grab anything to eat. So what you gotta do, better get acquainted with some ramen noodles. Fifth thing that I say you would need, a cooler. I have a Coleman cooler, plugs right into your cigarette lighter. I put all my cold products in there, anything I want to keep cool. I usually make my lunches the night before and put them in the cooler, so as I'm driving, I got things I can snack on. Very inexpensive. I paid about $100 for the cooler at a truck stop. So the sixth thing, make sure you have enough clothing. Enough clothing for the winter, enough clothing for the summer. Make sure you have enough underwear, enough socks. It can get real ugly out here. You want to be prepared. 7, make sure you have enough covers and pillows. You know, have more than less. You might have to go to New York and it's cold during the winter. You may have to be in Pennsylvania, out there on those East Coast mountains. You know, it gets cold. Be prepared. One day your truck might break down on you. Your AC and heat stop working. You know, what are you going to use to bundle it up to stay warm? Make sure you stay prepared. The 8th thing that I say you would need, you need a clipboard. I have a clipboard, okay? You use this clipboard to put all of your paperwork in. You know, stay organized. Make sure you have pens. Stay organized. You will need that to help your workflow. The 9th thing that I say you will need is an organizer. I an organizer here. You're supposed to keep at least 6 months worth of your paperwork after you scan in your loads, because at any moment your company may lose something, or something may not have scanned in properly, and you have to backtrack and go get paperwork from 4 months ago. Well, you have 6 months worth of paperwork of your loads that you can just rescan at any moment. So get organized. I organize them by the month of the year. 10th thing, last and final, food. Have some type of food in your truck. Things that won't perish too quickly. Peanut butter and jelly, dry foods, crackers, cookies, water, bread, things of that nature. If you have a big enough refrigerator in your truck, that leads back to the cooler. If you don't have a refrigerator, use your cooler, and stock yourself up. Make sure you're prepared. If you want to know more about the trucking industry and how you can fit into the industry and operate properly, leave a comment down below. Let me know what it is that you would like to know. I answered any question that you have to the best of my ability. So if you guys could, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know the next time a video will drop. Until next time, you guys stay chill.